In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename groups in a Notion workspace. If you've been using Notion for a while, you know how crucial it is to keep your workspace organized, and sometimes that means renaming your groups. Perhaps to better reflect their purpose or to align with new team structures, knowing how to efficiently rename them will save you time and keep your projects seamless. Let's dive into the process together. First, you'll want to open Notion. Make sure you're signed into the correct Notion workspace where you need to make these changes. If you're like me and manage multiple workspaces, double-check this step to ensure you're working in the right one. Once you're in your workspace, head to the left sidebar. Here you should see an option labeled Settings. Click on that. Navigating through the settings might feel a bit intimidating at first due to all the available options. Yet today, we are focusing specifically on the tab that deals with your team members. Depending on which version of the Notion workspace you're using, it may say either People or Members. Both options essentially serve the same purpose of managing the personnel involved in your workspace though, so just select whichever option you have. Next, you'll want to open the Groups tab. This is where you'll find a breakdown of all the groups in your workspace. The visual layout makes it easy to see everything at a glance, which is incredibly handy if you're managing a large number of groups. Identifying the group you wish to rename should be simple from here. Once you have the group you want to rename in sight, go ahead and select it. Click on it to reveal the group's details. By opening this section, you're one step closer to changing its name. Now comes the actual renaming process, and it's easier than you might expect. Click on the current name of the group to activate the text field. Type in the new name that you have in mind for your group. Make sure this new name accurately captures the essence or functionality of the group so that it's clear for all team members involved. After entering the new name, you have two options to save this change. You can simply press Enter, or you can click anywhere outside the text field. Either action will ensure that your change is saved. And just like that, the group now has its new name. By following these steps, you can keep everything organized and intuitive for everyone involved in your Notion workspace. Whether you're updating group names to match a project, a new phase, or simply for clarity, this simple process ensures your workspace remains efficient and effective. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you in staying organized with Notion.